In this support video, we will be replacing the Thermo control component switch that is located in all our dual ranges models that starts with 61 and 63. A qualified technician is strongly recommended for this process. Start by first disconnecting the power supply and the gas line. Remove all the front control knobs. Remove all the screws holding the control knobs. Remove the holding screws under the control panel. Disconnect and remove all the knob rings. Unscrew and remove the back panel. From inside the unit, remove the thermo control sensor. From the back left side, remove the sensor. Locate the thermo control switch at the front of the unit and remove the two holding screws. Pull out the switch. Locate the proper wire harness at the bottom of the switch, disconnect, and cut the wires. Strip and twist the two wires together. Connect the wires to the new wire connector and securely fasten. Connect to the new thermo controller switch. Locate the other wire on the old controller switch and repeat the steps. With your new switch side by side with your old switch, transfer all the wires to your new thermocontroller and remove the old switch. Remove the white sleeve from the old switch. Place the white sleeve in the new switch. Place the wire to the back of the unit. Insert the sensor into the hole and into the oven cavity. Clip the sensor in the holder. Place back the new thermocontrol switch. On the back of the unit, locate the thermocontroller 140. Pull out the wire harness. Cut the wires. Firmly fasten to the new wire connector. Connect to the new thermocontroller 140. Remove the old controller and install the new controller. This completes the installation.